Right. So product increment, guys. So yeah, mute yourself, guys. It is one of the very important topic, guys. Very, very important. Okay. What is product increment? Who is this? Satya. Not now. Your class is Saturday and Sunday, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Right. Okay, guys. Product increment. Okay. Product increment is very, very important, guys. In Scrum or in Kanban, whatever framework, upgrading frameworks are there, Manoj. Okay. Upgrading frameworks also we use, there is no framework. In future, we are going to get XYZ framework. In XYZ framework also, we used to have product increment. Okay. Some outdated methodologies also we have used this product increment. Okay, that much important, guy. Our end goal is product increment. Okay, what is product increment? It is the combination of current current build plus previous
Previous build.
previous build. Simple, guys. Okay, current build plus previous build. Manoj, what is current build and what is previous build? I want full-fledged clarity on this. See here, guys. In sprint, okay, in Scrum framework, what we are doing, guys? We are working in a Scrum framework. Okay, just to consider. Let me charge my laptop also, guys. I'm sorry. Yes, I got it. Yeah, what we are doing, guys, in Scrum framework, we are working on a sprints, right? So in a sprints, how we are doing? Each sprint, we are picking some tickets, right? Initially, we are picking some tickets. Okay, Manoj, what are those tickets? Don't ask me now. Okay, I will tell you uh, in whenever we start the Jira. Okay, so just consider this is the sprint one. Okay, in sprint I'm calling it as SP, sprint one, guys. For short form, I'm writing as a sprint one. Okay, in sprint one we have taken how many tickets, guys? 10 tickets. Just consider 10 tickets. We have agreement. We had an agreement with the product owner. Hey, product owner, we are going to complete these 10 items. Manoj, are they going to say simply like, hey, Hari, I will complete 10 tickets? Huh? No, guys, we are not doing that. Okay. What we are doing, Manoj, initially we are having sprint planning meeting. Okay. Sprint planning meeting. In sprint planning meeting, we are deciding the things. Okay. How we are deciding, Manoj? After completing this product increment concept, I will explain that. Okay. Not only that, there are other topics also. I will explain you clear. Right. So now what we are doing, guys, in organizations, just to consider, in organizations, in IT organizations, how we are working is there are a lot of techniques are there, guys. Okay, there are a lot of techniques are there. In my one of the batch, Poonam is there. For her, she said to me that Manoj, every sprint we are doing delivery. Okay, every sprint they are doing delivery. That means every after completing the sprint one, they are doing the delivery. Okay, no problem. Right? That is one thing. Manoj, what are you doing in your organization? In my organization, what we are doing is we are doing like a quarterly build, quarterly release, okay, quarterly, half yearly, and yearly. Okay, that means every 3 months we are doing some releases. How we are doing, Manoj? Based upon this sprint length. Guys, please try to speak out when I ask you, and wherever you feel that you are not getting, or you, I mean, wherever you said, Manoj, I didn't understand over there, just unmute yourself and ask me. Why? Because you are paying money. You are not simply, these classes are not for free. Okay? Wherever you didn't understand, just raise your voice and ask me. Manoj, I didn't understand over there. Can you please repeat it? Yes, I will repeat it, guys, because these are very important topics. Right. So, what we are doing, guys, in my organizations, every 3 months. In here, how many months we are having? 12 months.
12.
Right. If you divide it by 4, that means 3. This is called quarterly, and this is called half yearly, and another 3 I forgot, guys, what we are going to call. I forgot this one. Okay. And this is called yearly release. Okay. This how we are doing. Every 3 months we are doing some releases. Okay, Manas, got it. Now, in 3 months, what you are doing? My sprint length is 2 weeks, guys. Just consider 2 weeks. Not 2 weeks, my sprint length is 3 weeks. But for an example, I was saying my sprint length is 2 weeks, guys. 2 weeks in the sense, in a month, how many sprints I will get, Hari and who is this? Akshay, Akash.
Hmm.
In a month, two.
Yeah.
Yes, Akash.
So in few organizations, there are 2 week sprint. Majorly, 90% organizations are following two week sprint.
Yes, 2 weeks only they will follow. Okay,
Okay. Hmm.
90 percentage, not 95 percentage, they will follow 2 weeks only. In some organizations, the people, based upon the project also. Okay, if the project is very big, what we are doing is, in some organizations we do one. I mean, 4 weeks sprint. Sorry, 4 weeks is called as one sprint. That means every month we are going to have one sprint.
Yeah.
Okay, my organizations, what we are doing is every 3 sprints, sorry, one sprint is equals to 3 weeks.
3 months.
Okay, it depends upon project to project.
So Manoj, after completing the sprint, so in your organization, suppose that the retrospective meeting
Mhm.
always conducted uh, after 3 months.
No, 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 no. Every sprint we are conducting.
So
Okay,
in your organization, the sprint time frame is 3 months, right?
no,
Okay.
sprint release, that is called release.
Okay, release. Yeah.
Okay, release is 3 months.
The
Okay,
deployment thing, right?
yes, the deployment. Okay, if you are aware of deployment, I will use deployment. Okay,
Okay.
deployment in the sense, just consider uh, what we can have. Yes, mango season is there, right? In mango
Mm-hmm.
season, what we will do, we need some mangoes, right? What we are
Right.
doing, guys, from from December end to, so like January 1st to, from March end, what we are going
Mm.
to do, we are going to do some pesticides,
Right.
right, to the farm, whole farm, right?
Yeah.
If we do these things, what we are going to get, we are going to get some fruits. Okay,
Yeah.
what we are doing, every day we are deploying the things, right, deploying the
Mm.
mangoes, right?
Right.
If
Right.
you count like a monthly basis, how much I earned in monthly, right? In first deployment, how much I earned, in second month, how much I earned, right?
Mm-hmm.
April, May, June, July, in these 4 months, how much I earned? Are you going to comparison, right?
Mm-hmm.
Here also the same thing. Here, what we are doing initially, we are working for 2 weeks of sprint. In
Okay.
these 2 weeks, I'm completing 10 tickets. Okay, we are measuring 10 tickets. Okay, next 2 months, what I'm doing, I have completed 10 tickets.
Mm.
Okay, now 1 month is completed. Like that, I usually have another 4 sprints, right? In three
Mm.
months. Total 6 sprints. Now, how many tickets I have completed? Around 10 plus 10 plus total. How many tickets? Akash?
20. 20.
80. Yeah. Can you calculate how many tickets I have completed?
In a month, in
In a sprint, I completed 10
60.
tickets. Okay. In total 3 months, how many tickets I have completed? How many tickets?
10, 10, 20, 60. I think it should be 60, no?
60 or 80? Yeah,
No, 60. So
60 only,
in
right?
uh,
Okay. To confuse you, I have written like that. Okay. Right. Total how many, guys? 60 tickets I'm going to complete. Now what you are doing? Every sprint we are going to have sprint review meeting, guys. Okay.
mhm,
Every sprint we are going to have sprint review meeting. Now in the
mhm,
first sprint review meeting will happen. Yes, sir. Sprint review meeting will happen. Now clients will
mhm,
check this. Okay. Now client
mhm,
will check this and the client says that okay, 10 tickets. We are okay with this 10 tickets. Everything is good. Now deliver this. What we are doing, guys? We are keeping this coding part will be there, right?
mhm,
This coding part we are keeping in the GitHub repositories, GitHub, Jenkins, right? Storage, right? Storage,
mhm,
guys.
mhm,
Okay. We are
mhm.
keeping in the storage. Okay, understood that?
Yeah, understood.
Right. Like that, what we are doing, guys, we are completing the work. Okay. Every sprint we are having this thing. Okay. Every sprint we are completing some work items. Right. Every sprint we are having sprint review meeting. Okay. Every sprint
Mhm,
we are having sprint review meeting. Now, what we are doing, guys, we are not keeping these products in live. Okay. We are
mhm.
not keeping these products in live, guys. What we are doing, just we are giving to the client. After 3 months, they will deploy to the live. Can I say the real life example?
Yeah,
You have mobile phones, right?
right.
Every day you will get the update.
Not every day, basically. Some of the times, it's after 2 weeks. Some of the times after three
No,
months.
no, no,
So
no.
it
The version upgrade.
basically I have not noticed that. Uh,
Okay,
Version
you might
upgrade
get
we'll get every year.
every year. Might be 7 months or 8 months. Just consider every
mhm,
year or 2 years per. I mean 2 years like that you will get it. Right?
mhm,
That is
right.
called as a release.
Yeah, just like, so if I can just elaborate little bit more on a
Hmm.
day-to-day basis. So
Yes.
in the earlier versions of WhatsApp, so only the messaging part was also or only introduced, right? After that, we are just sending that photos. After that, video call. Right now,
Hmm.
it's a UPI, right?
Yes.
These kind of
Yes.
features are added. So it's a one kind of, we can call it, it's a one kind of agile project, right?
Yes. Initially just consider WhatsApp only. Okay. How
Hmm.
WhatsApp initially they have released like a chatting purpose,
Yes,
right?
only for chatting.
After, yes, only for chat. You can't send photos or nothing. You can't share, right?
Right,
After that,
right.
what you can do? You can send the photos. After 6 months or 7 months, they have improved something, and you can send some emojis. After
Hmm.
the 10 months, they have implemented something. You can send some videos, right?
Hmm.
Now
Hmm.
in WhatsApp, you can do some payments also along with I mean like a UPIs, right?
Right,
You can
right,
link
right.
your bank accounts to the WhatsApp and you can send through WhatsApp also, right? But
Right.
WhatsApp UPI is not that much popular.
Uh, Reliable, or we can
Yes,
call it, it's not familiar.
yes, no one is using that. Why? Because we are familiar with other
On pay.
UPIs, Phone Pay and Google Pay, right? So that's the reason WhatsApp is not we are not using here. But if you go to in China at in their countries, WhatsApp payment they are going to call it VPay or something they are doing. That
Okay.
is very popular over there.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, but we are not registering with this one. Okay, WhatsApp, that is the thing. So those are called as upgrades. Okay, every sprint we are completing something and we are adding to something. Okay, now just consider sprint 1 and sprint 2.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sprint 1 and sprint 2. Now previously without completing the sprint 2, what is the current build, guys? The current build will be sprint 1 previously.
Yeah.
Uh, 10 plus previous build, that is going to be 0.
Hmm.
These two we are keeping in one storage, guys.
Hmm.
Okay, we are keeping in a one storage. Now what we are doing, guys? Now I have completed sprint 2. Now what I'm doing? Current build plus previous build.
Previous build.
Previous build is what? 0
10.
plus 10 plus 10,
It's 10.
right? Now I'm adding these two and adding to here, guys. Now it is 20. Okay. Now
Hmm.
another sprint has been completed. Okay. Another
Hmm.
sprint is completed. That is SP3, guys.
Hmm.
SP3. Now here also I have completed 12 tickets.
Hmm.
What I'm doing, guys? I'm not doing like this. I'm not doing like this. If I do like this, I will miss this sprint 1 tickets. Okay. I
Hmm.
will miss this. Why? Because product increment is current build plus
Previous
previous
build.
build. Okay. That's the reason what we are doing previously, we have added these two, right? And
Hmm.
we are linking this to this. Okay,
So
guys.
on sprint 3, so the product increment would be 30, right? The current build is 10 and previous build is 20.
Mhm. Now how much you will get it?
On this
20,
level, 20.
20, 20 plus 12. That is going to be
Hmm.
32. Right, guys? Now if
How
we add, sorry,
how 12? How
how?
12? Basically, it's a 10. Na?
No, I have given like a 12. You haven't seen,
Okay.
I think. In
Okay.
here, I have given
In
like a 12. You
in
haven't
sprint
seen.
3, right?
Yeah, in sprint 3, I have given 12.
Yeah.
Right.
Then it's 32.
Yes, now it is 32. Right?
Hmm.
Now, in sprint 4, we have completed 10. Okay?
Hmm.
Now, what it will become? It will become
42.
42. Right?
42.
Sprint 5, I have 10. 52. Right?
Hmm.
Yeah, there in sprint 6, 15. That is going to be
67.
67. Right? Now, at a time, I'm releasing 67 to the clients.
Hmm.
Okay? They will keep it in live. If they don't keep it in live, it doesn't matter, guys. Okay? Whatever
Hmm.
strategies they are having, they will follow their strategies. Okay, guys?
Hmm.
Okay? Here we are not doing that thing. Okay?
Okay.
Right, guys. Any doubts in this?
No.
No.
Clear.
Okay, guys. Give me a second. Okay. No doubts right here.
No.
Yes,
No.
Manoj.
Yes, yes. What was that? Yes, sorry.
No, no, I said I'm clear.
Okay, you are clear. Right. So now what we are doing is, I will draw rough diagram. See
Hmm.
here. This is called the product backlog. Now this is the sprint backlog. Right. Here, what we are doing, the product owner is bringing some tickets from here to here, guys.
Right. The product backlog to sprint backlog, right?
Yes, product backlog to sprint backlog. Right?
Hmm.
Now,
Hmm.
what we are doing, guys? Now, after bringing here, in between, here we have some gap, right? In this gap, what we are doing is we are doing some planning meeting. That is called as sprint
Sprint
planning
planning.
meeting.
So
Okay?
this is the first meeting, right?
Yes, this is the first meeting.
Okay.
Okay?
I
After,
have
mhm.
a question with sprint planning. So
Yes,
who all are the attendees in the
yes,
sprint planning meeting? And suppose that if it's happening, then who should be the part of this meeting?
yes, Scrum Master, okay,
Mm-hmm.
product owner, and Scrum team,
Okay, Scrum team, it includes developers and
testers.
testers.
And
The
sometimes we can have like some clients also, no problem in that. Stakeholders,
okay.
okay, because this is like an open meeting, okay. Manager, if manager comes, no problem, just add him. But if in the retrospective meeting, don't ever try to call product owner and manager, okay. Understood?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
I will explain those things. Okay, who are the attendees, all those things I will explain you clearly. Okay, now first meeting is sprint planning meeting. In this sprint planning meeting, what we are doing, Manoj? In this sprint planning meeting, actually, we are firstly opening capacity plan. Okay, capacity planning, guys. Just consider our capacity is around 500 hours, right? Based upon this 500 hours, we are taking the tickets. Just consider here we are having 20 tickets. Now we can complete this 500 hours of tickets, sorry, 500 hour of capacity, 15 tickets only. Now we are picking 15 tickets and the remaining 5 tickets we are keeping it into the product backlog.
Manoj,
Yes.
is 500 hours of capacity planning is for 2 weeks sprint, or you just mentioned a number?
No, I just mentioned the number. Okay.
Okay,
We
okay,
will
fine.
get, see, it depends, guys. How we are going to get it, I will show you. Okay, don't worry.
Okay,
I will show you. Already in channel, in channel also I have uploaded. Okay, if you want to go like that, if you want to watch it, in one batch I have, sorry, in every batch I used to have, but okay, you can see here in channel also I have uploaded. Which batch? Just see here, the 56th batch, I think. See, capacity planning I have uploaded. Okay, you can go through it. It is in public one.
okay.
So, Manoj,
Yes.
capacity planning uh, is always done before the sprint planning.
Yes. Before the sprint planning only we have to do. That means today is a Friday, right? Now the
Hmm.
sprint is going to be ended. Now what you are doing, guys? Next sprint
Uh,
is there, right? For the
no,
next sprint, you
suppose
have to do some capacity.
okay. So
Okay?
it should be comes under sprint planning or capacity
No,
planning
no, no.
is completely different.
Capacity planning is completely different, guys. Okay, it won't comes under sprint planning meeting.
So
Okay?
what we do in capacity planning?
Yes, I will tell you in whenever the capacity planning comes. Okay? Capacity planning is nothing but simple, guys. In organization you are working, right, daily basis.
Mm-hmm.
How many hours you will work?
9 hours.
9
9
hours,
hours,
right? Based upon that 9 hours, how many days you are working? 2 weeks in the sense,
10 days,
10 days. For you, how many hours I can allocate you? 9 into 10 days, that is going to
90
be
hours.
90 hours, right? Now you
Yes,
have some planned leaves, you have some sick leaves, right? All
yes.
the things we are going to check and we are going to cover, guys.
Okay,
Okay, that is called the capacity planning. I will explain you clear. Okay, I do have capacity planning sheet. I will prepare that and I will send it to you guys. Okay, right.
okay, fine.
I think where is okay, he right. Now after sprint planning meeting, guys, what we are doing, guys, just consider after sprint planning meeting we have taken some 15 tickets, right? From here to the next step is daily stand up meeting, guys.
Hmm.
Okay, daily stand up. Okay, in this daily stand up, what we are doing now, we have taken 15 tickets, right? In this 15 tickets, every day the people are working. In this daily stand up meeting, we are going to take updates of,
Again,
yeah,
sorry to interrupt. Again, in this, the audience would be same, na? Scrum Master, Product Owner, and that,
no product owner, no product owner. Okay,
and
no product owner, only Scrum team and me, Scrum Master.
Scrum team and Scrum Master, right? Only.
Yes, now Scrum team is giving the updates.
Manoj,
Yes,
if the project manager is a service based company and if the project manager is present, so he is going to join or not?
Where?
Daily stand up.
I didn't get you. Can you come
I
again?
think
1 second, 1 second, 1 second, guys.
Project manager
Mm-hmm.
in a service based company, he is also not join the daily stand up meeting like product owner.
No, I mean, what you are trying to say is, product owner is from client end or from the organization?
See, like I am working in Reliance
Okay,
in a
right,
service
right, right,
based.
right, right. I will give you example. You are working in Reliance, so you are the Scrum Master. You have a Scrum team, right? Okay, and the
Yeah.
product owner is from Reliance also.
Yeah.
Now you are asking is product owner will join here or not, right?
Yes.
No, we are not encouraging the product owner to come.
So
Okay,
in service based company, it's a project manager or it's a product owner itself.
see, it depends. Product owner we are not encouraging. Product manager also we are not calling it. Okay, product manager is not a part of Scrum team, guys.
Okay.
Okay, he is not a part of Scrum team. Okay, Kanchan?
Okay.
Right. Yes, yes, Hari. Sorry, yes, Akash. What's your doubt?
uh, so. My doubt was
Mm-hmm.
in I have seen or one of my friend is working as a software engineer.
Mm-hmm.
So he's a part of the Scrum team.
Okay.
In his sprint planning or in his daily stand-up meetings, the
Mm-hmm.
stakeholders are also part of a daily stand-up meeting.
No, that is not a Scrum. Okay.
Sorry.
See, we don't encourage the stakeholders to come. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. If that means he
They
might be working in client location. There are
no. So
different scenarios, guys.
suppose that my one of my friend is working as software developer,
Mm-hmm.
right? So he's building an app for a bank.
Okay.
That bank is UK based bank,
Okay.
and always whenever he start his meeting as a daily stand up, so
Mm-hmm.
uh, all the developers, all the Scrum team join, the Scrum
Mm-hmm.
Master join, the product owner join, all the stakeholders are also part of that. So some of the time, suppose that the stakeholder want to change anything or deprioritize or prioritize anything and wants to take a look. So that's why they join. So as per
No, guys.
as
The
per him.
things are like after starting the sprint.
Hmm.
Okay. We are not doing any changes. Deprioritize or reducing the
No,
priority,
but
making the
in
people
but
to join. No.
okay.
Okay. We
Hmm.
are not doing such things. Then it is not a Scrum,
Not
guys.
not an optional, not an optional. Suppose that the Scrum team and Scrum Master is mandatory for part of the daily stand-up meetings, but product owner or stakeholders are not being the optional, even not in the
Not in the
optional
optional
part.
also. No. We are not calling them because we are getting updates.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We are not calling
Mm-hmm.
these people, guys. Okay, we are
Okay.
calling the stakeholders and we are making them to involve in
Mm-hmm.
sprint plan meeting and sprint review meeting. That's it.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
right,
Manoj,
right.
in a sprint planning meeting, stakeholder are involved.
Sprint plan meeting, yes,
Yeah,
Okay.
that Scrum team, it's sorry, Scrum Master, is
because
product owner,
see,
sprint team.
who is giving us the project initially? Stakeholders, right?
Yeah, but product owner is from the client end. So why we need a stakeholder over here?
We are not calling the stakeholders in this meeting, guys. So, and stakeholder is not a part of this. Okay, some meetings are there. Just consider retrospective is there. Okay, retrospective, what we are doing, guys, we are getting the updates of of client end with the development team. Now if clients come to this meeting, are we going to get the genuine feedbacks?
I think it's a sprint
No.
review.
No, it's retro. I said retro.
Oh, straight.
After completing the review we are going to have retro. Whatever this client says, we need to
Mm-hmm.
have some conversation in retro, right? In
Yeah. So
that
we
they, yeah, one second,
in
1 second, guys, let me complete, we are having some negative feedback also, we might have, right? So client is giving us more work. So that has to be expressed to the Scrum Master. Now, if client joins in this meeting, now the developers will say that, Kanchan,
Yeah.
what are you talking, Kanchan? See, okay, you went to some marriage function. Okay, Kanchan,
Yes, yes.
you went to some marriage function. Okay, uh, and your friend is asking, how is the food? You will say the food is worst. You will say like that, Kanchan.
No.
No, right? Here also the same thing. Now the client saying to team members to accept more stories. Our full capacity is 15 stories. Just consider 15 stories. We can complete. Now the client is pushing to take 20 stories. We can take. What we are going to miss, guys, here? The quality we are missing. I don't understand, Manoj. Just consider there is a chef. Okay, consider yourself from the Kanchan. Okay, you can cook, you are a very good cook. Okay, you can cook at a time 100 people. Okay, Kanchan,
Okay.
that is your capability. Now what the people are saying, cook for 500 people. Okay, you know the quality, how much to keep for 100 kgs of, just consider some chicken biryani. Okay, what are the spices are there? All those things you can cook for 100 people at a time. With those spices, you have some list. Now, what the people are saying, cook for 500, right? If you cook for 500 people, what you will miss here? The what the spices list, right? You can't keep the spices accurately, right or wrong? The product will have,
Yes.
right, the product might have the quality issues, right or wrong? You might keep
Yes.
more water, or you might keep more spices in it, right? The biryani might be might not be oily, right? So you are going to get these type of scenarios, right or wrong?
Yes.
So whatever your capability, you have to work for that one. Now in this retro, what you are saying, the team members are saying about the client. Okay, negative feedback about the client to the Scrum Master. Hey, Scrum Master, client is giving more work and making us to complete this work. We can't able to complete this. Okay, in retrospective, they are saying this thing. Now, what you are saying, if client comes, are we going to get that feedback?
No.
No, we can't get it, guys. That's the reason in retrospective, we are not encouraging the clients or stakeholders or any managers or any product managers. We are not calling them. Only Scrum Master and Scrum team. Okay,
Not product owner even.
not product owner also. We are going to have some action items. Okay,
So
we are going to have some action items, guys. In these
uh,
action items, each and every team member is giving the updates. Based upon that updates, I'm going to take some actions, guys. Okay, yes, go ahead, guys. Now, who is that?
So stakeholder are the part of sprint planning meeting as well.
Stakeholders.
hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, Manoj.
Stakeholders are the part of.
Sprint planning
It's
meeting.
sprint
Yeah,
planning.
yeah, they will come to sprint planning. No problem in that. Sometimes they will come, sometimes they won't come. No problem
Is
because
it agile practice or it's out of agile?
which one?
Calling to stakeholder in
We
sprint
are not
planning
calling
meeting.
anyone. We are just calling product owner.
Okay.
Okay.
Product owner will call stakeholder, right?
Yes. Just consider product owner is not there.
Okay.
Product owner is on leave. Who
Mm-hmm.
will explain the tickets, guys?
Okay.
Stakeholders only, right?
Hmm.
Then if stakeholder comes, if stakeholder doesn't comes, no matter, right, guys? But in retrospective, if stakeholders comes, If he attends the if he attends the meeting, we are going to have a lot of loss about the action items. Right, guys? That's the reason we are not encouraging the stakeholders to come in the retrospective. Understood?
Yeah. So I have one more question, which is related to sprint planning. So may I ask?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
So do we have, so suppose that, so sprint planning is always on the day one, right?
Yes.
So, so suppose that today it's a
Mm-hmm.
fourth. Today is the end of a sprint, right?
Mm-hmm.
So today will be the sprint review, retrospective meeting will be done, right?
Mm-hmm.
On 5th, tomorrow, Friday,
Mm-hmm.
the sprint planning will be conducted or will be happen. So it will be any time frame for that particular meeting.
Yes,
So
we
it
have
will
a
be.
time frame. Not 5th, on 8th. Okay? Monday.
Mm-hmm.
We are starting it on Monday. Monday. We are having a time frame, guys. Okay? Because why? Because why time frame, Manoj? Let me remove this since it's like a little bit clumsy. Because events, sorry, ceremonies. We are calling these as ceremonies, right? Ceremonies or time boxed events, guys. Okay? Time boxed events. What is meant by time boxed events, Manoj? Okay,
Time box means something
yes,
fixed
yes,
timing.
yes, yes. I will explain it. Okay, just consider this one. Okay, time boxed events, ceremonies. Okay, just to consider ceremonies or time boxed events. Okay, who are the married people here?
Me.
Okay, one second. Let me take the updates. Hari, are you married?
Yes, Manus.
Okay, Kanchan.
Yes.
Okay, Anant.
Yes.
Okay, everyone is married except me.
Hmm?
Except me, everyone is married. Okay, then. Right.
So you only enjoying the real life.
But no time. But no time. To enjoy, no time. Okay, I do have a lot of batches to say in Saturday and Sundays also. Right? Okay.
Hmm.
See here, guys. What we are doing is, what I said, ceremony is an event. Okay. So, Hari, for your marriage, you booked a hall, right?
Yes.
Yes. How much time they have given to you?
Function hall, you are asking.
Yes.
It's for a day,
It's for a day. That means around 12
24
hours,
hours.
right? 24 hours
Uh,
they have given to you. Huh?
I've taken for one day,
Okay.
full day completely.
Okay. Just consider for marriage. Okay. For all of you. Okay. Your marriage, you booked for 24 hours. That is called one event, guys. Okay.
Okay.
How
Mm-hmm.
many people are having kids? Okay. Anant is
Myself.
having kids.
Yes.
Hari, you have a kids?
Yes, two.
Okay. Akash?
Yes, one baby girl.
Okay. Kanchan?
Yes, I have
Sorry?
two.
What?
Two. Two
Two.
kids.
Okay. 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 Okay, two kids are okay, right. So just consider in India what we will do, guys. We will do some ceremonies for first birthday,
Yes.
right? For that, are you going to have 24 hours hall booking?
No, hardly for 6 to 8 hours.
6 to 8 hours, hardly 5 hours, guys. Six
Yes.
hours, hardly 5 hours. Okay, just consider yesterday. Today morning only I went. Okay, one ceremony. So they are doing one birthday party. So that is around, they have taken the hall for 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. guys. Okay, how much time it is? 7 to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12
7
and
hours.
1, 2, right?
7 hours.
Around 7
7.
hours, right? 7 hours. What is this for birthday function? Birthday function, that is for 7 hours. right?
Mm-hmm.
Now
Mm-hmm.
there is for your mother and father there is a 60 years of ceremony, right?
Mm-hmm.
60 years we will do some ceremony, right? How
Mm-hmm.
much time we will take for a hall booking? That is going to be around 12 hours,
Yes.
right? This is for uh, 12 hours. Now come here, every ceremony is on same time, guys?
No.
No. In ceremonies, how many ceremonies we are having here? 5 types of ceremonies, right? Now in here also, each ceremony will have different types of times, guys,
Okay, got it. Then sprint
right?
planning, sprint daily scrum,
Yes,
retrospective, review,
yes,
as
and
well. And
retrospective.
yeah. So sprint planning, daily scrum, sprint review,
Sprint,
retrospective, and
sprint.
Sprint.
only
Okay,
sprint. Okay.
yes, only sprint. Now all this remaining 4 or depends upon sprint length. Okay, if you
Okay.
want to have sprint planning time, if you want to plan a sprint planning time, you need to have a sprint. What is your sprint length? Just consider 2 weeks. Based
Mm-hmm.
upon that 2 weeks, we are planning. We are doing some plannings for sprint planning. We are giving the time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Manoj, I didn't understood. See here, you have 1 lakh rupees. Based upon your 1 lakh rupees, you have booked a hall.
Mm-hmm.
You have 5 lakh rupees to invest on a that what is that called marriage hall, right? Based upon your 5 lakhs, the
Mm-hmm.
capacity and the range of the hall will be changed, right? Now you have a
Mm-hmm.
25 lakhs to invest on your marriage hotel, right?
Mm-hmm.
Marriage hall. Now the hall looks like a grand looks, right or wrong? How much you invest, that much you will get it, right? Here also the same thing. How much weeks you spend, that much time you will increase in the sprint plan. Understood that?
Understood.
Not only sprint planning meeting, daily stand up will be same, no changes, retros and review. Okay, everything will be depend upon sprint, guys. Based upon the sprint length, we are going to talk these things. Okay, any doubts?
No, Manoj, clear.
No, no.
Right.
Clear.
What about you, Hari?
Yeah, clear.
Yes, Kanchan.
No.
Yes, Akash.
No.
Right,
Clear.
Kiran.
No, Manoj.
Right, everything is clear, right? Right, guys. Okay, that's it for today. Tomorrow, what we are going to talk is we are going to talk about the Agile Manifesto. Okay, don't miss the topic, guys. Please come by 7 p.m. sharp. Okay, Kiran, for
Sure.
you.
Yes, Manoj.
Yeah, త్వరగా రండి.
Sorry, Manoj. Today only. Okay, sure.
Okay, I just pinged you also. Okay,
Okay, Manoj.
don't be late. Right, guys. Okay, we connect by tomorrow, guys. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye, Hari. Bye, Kiran. Bye, Akash.
Sure. Manoj,
Yes.
ఒక డౌట్.
Yeah, sure, అడగండి.
So I'm into batch 57. So can I go and watch the recording for other batches?
Yeah, go. It is open for you.
ఓకే ఫైన్. అంటే కొన్ని రిస్ట్రిక్ట్ చేస్తా అన్నారు కదా, సో
I will
అవి
Jira. That is Jira. I will keep restrictions for Jira. See here, I will keep restrictions for Jira, not for the other things.
కాదు కాదు, అంటే నేను ఫీజు కట్టి జాయిన్ అయ్యా కదా, సో కెన్ ఐ
Mhm.
యాక్సెస్ అదర్ కోర్సెస్ అని, అదర్ వీడియోస్ అని, అందుకని.
ఇదిగోండి మీకు నార్మల్ గా ఈ ప్లేలిస్ట్ ఉందా బ్యాచ్ 56.
అవును.
Okay, see here. What I'm trying to say is up to 11 classes you can access.
ఓకే.
Okay, na? For remaining classes, see here, I just started Jira, 2 classes only.
లేదు, స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ లేదు నాకు.
Okay, screen sharing leda. Okay, I thought that. Okay, Let me share it. Can you see it now?
Yes.
See here, this is the another batch,
Okay.
right? What we are doing is in this another batch, I have completed totally 13 classes.
Okay.
Okay, in 13 classes, what I did is I have done only 2 Jira classes. From Jira,
Okay.
I will keep it in a private.
Okay.
For theoretical part, I will keep it in public. You can go and watch any of the playlist.
ఓకే. సో, నా క్వెషన్ ఏంటంటే, ఈ ప్రైవేట్ అని ఉన్నాయి కదా జీరా. సో,
Mm.
సైమల్టేనియస్‌లీ ఐ యామ్ లెర్నింగ్ అదర్ టాపిక్స్ యాస్ వెల్. సో, ఈస్ దేర్ ఎ పాసిబిలిటీ దట్ ఐ కెన్ గో అండ్ వ్యూ దీస్ వీడియోస్ ఇన్ ప్రైవేట్?
No, 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 no. We are not giving access to this.
ఓకే.
Okay, we are not going to give this access. Okay, because ఎందుకు అంటే I have to explain the things, right?
ఓకే.
Yeah, that is the thing. I'm not giving the access. If you do full payment also, I'm not giving the access here.
లేదు,
Okay.
నేను మొత్తం పేమెంట్ చేసేసాను ఆల్రెడీ.
Okay, that is the thing. What I'm trying to say is, if you want the access, I will give you.
ఓకే.
Okay, that is like a future classes, right? I will interlink theory classes to this practical classes.
ఓకే.
Okay, if you don't understand the theory, it's really hard for you because I'm not teaching like a tutor. Okay, I'm teaching in a real time.
ఓకే.
Okay, that's the reason. For every batch, everything will be the same. I'm not going to hide something and you paid 50,000, that person paid 20,000. No, guys, it's not like that. Okay, for each and every person, I'm trying to give you the same thing, guys.
ఓకే. ఫైన్.
Right. Okay, guys. We will connect by who are there. The next batch.